Guess what? Yes! I'm starting a new trip and I started in the famous lift. With the famous heavy bag. A look, because I think it's a bit delayed. Oh, I was filming, and you know what? I didn't check the door, the gate. Cannot do two things at the same time. Let me find out. U31. You could have told me. You saw it, didn't you? Thank you.
Such as laptops or larger tablets must be switched off and stored for takeoff. For safety reasons, the use of power banks is not permitted.
I'm in Oslo and you cannot see it, but it's sunny and it's snowing as well. Need to find the express train now. Right. Straight on. Oslo, we get into the city centre. It's a straight train that goes from the airport, and you pick it up as soon as you come out of the baggage reclaim area, and 2 minutes later you're in the train. So very easy to get into the city centre of Oslo, which is where I've got the hotel. The hotel is over there, but I'm gonna go a long way.
Turn right toward Upper Regatta.
That's the opera house over there. There's a calmness and a orderly kind of vibe. It's a lovely city. That's where TV2 is, and where I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon and evening. But first, my coffee. Looking for the perfect brunch. I'm actually finding a different Oslo. Enough video, right? I'm hungry. Time to have lunch. It's a different day, different look, different company. Well, not exactly. Anne's still with us.
Yes.
But we got Morten.
And I'm going out to buy some chocolate.
Oh, I thought you were wearing that for the show. No, it's not that cold.
But I have to tell you, that is the coldest, the most... He's always called as the coldest man in
Oh, really?
Norwegian TV. So this is his look.
Oh, is that what you look?
Always.
Frankfurt. Now I need to look for my gate to Lisbon, because I'm going to Benfica Stadium.